Welcome to our channel Competition Grid. Here we are going to discuss current affairs daily. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get further notifications. Now I am going to discuss April 25th current affairs. Here is the first question. Name the program which was launched by HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank on Disha portal. It is Vidyadhan 2.0. The Union Minister of Human Resource Development is Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank and Minister of State for Human Resource Development is Sanjay Dodri. If you talk about this program, this Vidyadhan 2.0 program provides a structured inference for the contributors to register and contribute different type of contents like an explanation videos and then teaching videos and practice question sets, lesson planning, etc. for any grade from 1st to 12th standard and for any subject as specified by the states and union territories. Okay, moving ahead to next question. The Defence Minister has inaugurated mobile BSL-3 VODL lab developed by DRDO recently. Who is the present Defence Minister? Our present Defence Minister is Rajnath Singh. This lab has been developed by Defence Research and Development Organization DRDO and Ministry of Defence in collaboration with ESIC, Employees State Insurance Corporation Medical College located in Sarat Nagar, Hyderabad with due permission of Indian Council of Medical Research ICMR and Government of Telangana. This mobile lab has the testing capacity of more than 1000 to 2000 samples daily. If you talk about ICMR means Indian Council of Medical Research and its headquarters located in New Delhi. Its Director General is Balram Bhargava. Okay, moving ahead to next question. The Border Roads Organization BRO has constructed 484-meter permanent bridge connecting Punjab's Kasowal enclave with the rest of the country. The bridge was constructed across which river? It was constructed across Ravi River. This Ravi River is originated in the Himalayas in the Chamba district of Himachal Pradesh. This BRO Border Road Organization builds this 484-meter long bridge under the project called Chetak with an outlay of rupees 17.89 crore. Under this project Chetak, this bridge was constructed with an outlay of 17.89 crore. Okay, moving ahead to next question. Union Cabinet has approved the Epidemic Diseases Ordinance 2020 to protect healthcare service personnel against violence during epidemics. In case of injury, the sentence was up to dash years. It was up to 7 years. Under this Epidemic Disease Amendment Ordinance Act 2020, this offender to provide compensation to healthcare service personnel for injury or causing damage to property in which healthcare service personnel may have direct interest. Okay, moving ahead to next question. Indian government has approved to provide $1 million to Antigua Islands as project outlay. What is the capital of Antigua and Barbuda? It is Saint John's. Prime Minister of Antigua and Barbuda is Goston Brownie, and capital is St. John's, and currency is Eastern Caribbean dollar. Okay, moving ahead to next question. What is the increase in sown area of summer crops on year basis in India as per the government data? It is 36%. Okay, moving ahead to next question. India is going ahead with $2.3 billion deal to manufacture fleet support vessels in collaboration with which country? That is Turkey. Our country India with $2.3 billion, that is approximately equal to 15,000 crore rupees, deal to manufacture fleet support vessels in collaboration with Turkey. What is the currency of Turkey? Turkish lira, and capital is Ankara. Okay, moving ahead to next question. Name the organization which has launched Lockdown Learners series of online dialogues with students and educators in India on COVID-19. It is the United Nations Office on Drugs and Crimes, UNODC. If you talk about UNODC, its headquarters located in Vienna, Austria, and Director General is Gada Fatihwale. Okay, moving ahead to next question. Name the first Arab nation which is going to legalize cannabis farming. It is Lebanon. This is mainly to boost the exports and to beat the economic crisis created by coronavirus pandemic. If you talk about Lebanon, its capital is Beirut and currency is Lebanese pound. President is Michael Aoun. Prime Minister is Hassan Diab. Okay, moving ahead to next question. Which Indian public sector bank has launched working capital demand loan for agriculture sector? That is Indian Overseas Bank. MD and CEO of Indian Overseas Bank is Karanam Shekhar, and headquarters is located in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Okay, moving ahead to next question. What is India's GDP growth rate for the financial year 21 as per Global Economic Outlook of Fitch Ratings? It is 0.8%. Fitch Ratings, an American credit rating agency, in its Global Economic Outlooks has lowered India's GDP growth forecast to 0.8% for fiscal year 2021, a revision from 2% that was projected just 3 weeks before, that is 2%, and it was declined to 0.8% due to this coronavirus pandemic. If you talk about Fitch rating, its president is Ian Lenin and headquarters located in New York, United States. Okay, moving ahead to next question. As per the Confederation of Indian Industry, CII, what will be the GDP growth of India for the financial year? It is 1.5%. If you talk about Confederation of Indian Industry, headquarters located in New Delhi, India, and president is Vikram S. Kirloskar. Okay, moving ahead to next question. Name the organization in its reported title COVID-19 Crisis Through a Migration Lens. Projected 23% decline in migrants' remittances to India in 2020 due to COVID-19. It was reported by an World Bank. What is meant by remittances? Remittances means it is a transfer of money by a foreign worker to an individual into their home country. This was declined by 23% in India due to the COVID-19 pandemic. If you talk about World Bank, it was established in 1944 and president is David or Malpass, headquarters located in Washington DC, United States. Okay, moving ahead to next question. Which IT company has partnered with IBM to set up innovation centers? That is Tech Mahindra. This IBM and Tech Mahindra partnered set up innovation centers with the aim to boost digital transformation and encourage adoption of more hybrid cloud-based technologies among its global customers. If you talk about Tech Mahindra, its headquarters located in Pune, Maharashtra, and managing director and CEO of Tech Mahindra is Chandar Prakash Gurnani. If you talk about IBM, International Business Machines Corporation, its headquarters is located in New York, US, and president is Jim Whitehurst. Okay, moving ahead to next question. NIIT, National Institute of Information Technology Limited, US arm NIIT, has signed services agreement with US based EdTech company to provide virtual services to education providers. Where is headquarters of NIIT located? Its headquarters located in Gurgaon, that is in Haryana. If you talk about NIIT, CEO is Swapnesh Lala. Okay, moving ahead to next question. The Federal Bank has acquired additional stake of 4% in equity capital of IDBI Federal Life Insurance Company. Where is headquarters of Federal Bank located? It located in Alva, Kerala. If you talk about Federal Bank, Managing Director and CEO of Federal Bank is Shyam Srinivasan. And if you talk about IDBI Federal Life Insurance Company, its headquarters located in Mumbai, Maharashtra, and MD and CEO is Vignesh Shahane. If you talk about IDBI, its headquarters located in Mumbai and chairman is M.R. Kumar. Okay, moving ahead to next question. Which research center of Council of Scientific and Indian Research CSIR has developed Feluda, a low-cost corona virus test strip? It is Institute of Genomics and Integrative Biology, IGIB. Its headquarters is located in New Delhi, India, and director is Anurag Agarwal. If you talk about CSIR, that is Center of Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. Its headquarters located in New Delhi, India, and Director General is Shekhar C. Mande. This test strip, which will not require any expensive machines, and it is a simple way to detect severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus. Okay, moving ahead to next question. Which of the following aerospace company has launched Falcon 9 Carrier rocket with 60 satellite Starlink? That is SpaceX. If you talk about SpaceX, its headquarters is located in California, US, and CEO is Elon Musk. Okay, moving ahead to next question. Find the Indian state which has launched Aptamitra helpline toll-free number and an application to empower the people to fight against coronavirus pandemic. That is Karnataka. Karnataka CM is B.S. Yedurappa and its capital is Bangalore. Okay, moving ahead to next question. Under which among the following Google has launched nearby spot to help users find local stores selling essential? That is Google Pay. Google Pay is a media through which we can buy essential from our local stores. Okay, moving ahead to next question. The 11th edition of World Games 2022 is going to held at which city? It is going to held at which city? It is Birmingham, US. If you talk about International World Games Association, its headquarters located in Lausanne, Switzerland, and president is Jose Perunier Lopez, and CEO is Joachim Gosau. Okay, moving ahead to next question. Mirabai Chanu and Jeremy Lol Ringua, who is in news recently, belongs to which sports? These two belongs to weightlifting. These two people qualified for Tokyo Olympics. If you talk about an IWF, that is International Weightlifting Federation, its headquarters located in Budapest, Hungary, and president is Ursula Papadendria, and it founded in 1905. International Olympic Committee, its headquarters located in Lausanne, and president is Thomas Bach. Director General is Christophe D. Keeper. Okay, moving ahead to next question. Which board federation has created team task force to create awareness about wearing mask? That is Board of Control for Cricket, BCCI. President of BCCI is Saurav Ganguly. Okay, moving ahead to next question. Saharai Oram, who passed away recently, is the former minister of which state? He is former minister of Odisha. The next question. The World Book and Copyright Day, organized by UNESCO, was celebrated in every year on which date? It was celebrated every year on April 23rd. If we talk about UNESCO headquarters located in Paris, France, and Director General is Adure Ozaulai. World Book and Copyright Day, also known as World Book Day or International Day of the Book, is celebrated every year on April 23rd all over the world. This event is organized by UNESCO, that is United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, and the day aims to promote reading, publishing and copyright. Okay, moving ahead to next question. On which date the United Nations English Language Day and Spanish Language Day are celebrated every year? It was celebrated every year on April 23rd. Okay, that's all friends.